In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Clarity code. Microsoft Clarity is a free analytics tool from Microsoft that helps you understand how people use your website through heat maps and session recordings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your tracking code so you can add it to your site whenever you're ready. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Microsoft Clarity. You're looking for the official Microsoft Clarity site. It usually appears near the top of the results and includes Microsoft branding. Open that link to proceed. Once you're on the Clarity homepage, continue by signing in. Use your existing account credentials. After a successful sign-in, you'll land in the Clarity dashboard. From here, look for the option to create a new project. Click the button labeled New Project. This is where Clarity organizes data for each website you track, so creating a project is an essential first step. You'll be prompted to provide a few details. Enter a project name that makes sense to you, add your website URL, and select your website's industry from the available options. Make sure the URL is accurate, including the correct protocol if prompted. When everything looks good, click Add New Project. Clarity will set up the project and take you to the next screen. On the next screen, you'll see different ways to install Clarity. Under the card labeled Install Manually, click Get Tracking Code. This reveals your unique JavaScript snippet. This snippet is what you'll eventually place on your site to start collecting data. Copy it and keep it handy in a secure note so you can add it to your website later. Remember, it's unique to your project. If you plan to return for the code later, there's a quick way to find it again. From the top navigation bar, click Settings to open your project settings area. In this section, you can manage everything related to the project. While you're here, it's helpful to know where your project ID lives. In the left sidebar, select Overview. You'll see your unique project ID on that page. Many third-party platforms, like common content management systems or e-commerce tools, ask for this ID during integration, so it's good to know where to find it. When you're ready to grab the tracking code again, select Setup from the left sidebar. You'll find the manual installation option there, along with the same tracking code snippet you saw earlier. Copy it when you need it, and you're all set to install it on your site. That's it. You now know how to access your Microsoft Clarity tracking code and where to find your project ID whenever you need it.